Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. I am so thrilled to be sharing my new sofa with you all. I've been wanting to replace the seating in our family room for a while because what we have in there really doesn't work for our needs in that space anymore. The new sofa is from Sofatica and I want to thank them for sponsoring today's video. I have their modular 4-seater L sectional sofa with the ottoman and it came in 5 boxes. I received 2 shipments and it took less than a week for all of the boxes to arrive. The setup is pretty much the same for all of the sections, so I'm only gonna do the unboxing on one of these corner pieces and I'll talk about it as I go along.
The world.
Now I will say the packaging was done really well, maybe a bit too well, because I was struggling to get the cushions out by myself. The armrest wasn't too bad to get out, but in order to get the backrest out of the seat frame, you do have to remove the seat cushions that are placed inside of it. That part nearly had my wig flying off. I was going through it, okay? Of course, having help will speed up the process, but I just wanted to make you guys aware of this because the frame was stuffed tightly with those cushions. Once you get those cushions out, then you can slide the backrest out of the seat frame and finish unwrapping everything. Now the paper instructions are easy to follow along to, but they also have a QR code that you can scan to watch a video demonstration that'll help guide you through the setup step by step. The stickers that I'm removing are here to let you know where the holes are for attaching the side and backrest to the seat frame. When you're done with putting it all together, you do need to cover that hole before adding your frame cover. This is 100% linen performance fabric, which isn't needed in this space. We spend a lot of time in the family room, so we definitely need a fabric that's durable in here. It does say that the upholstery is dry clean only, but in the product features it says it's machine washable. I did reach out to the company to get some clarification about that and they said you can do both, which is great because machine washing is way more convenient for me. Once the fabric is on, remove the Velcro's protective strips and adhere the fabric to the frame. After that is when you're going to add the legs. Alright, it is the next day and I have all of the pieces set up and now I'm going to configure it for the layout of this room. This sofa is part of their modular clouds collection. It has a durable solid birchwood frame. The seat cushions are padded at the bottom and filled with goose down feathers wrapped in a downproof fabric. Of course, that is to help the feathers from leaking out, but I have seen a few make their way out here and there. Nothing excessive. Now I will admit I was a bit concerned about the overall size of the sectional for this space once once I got everything unboxed. I knew this was going to be bigger than our old sofa, but I really wanted something that we can all fit on when we're hanging out in the family room. I was worried about the space between the coffee table and sofa, but it works out fine. We have more than enough leg room and a walking space without bumping into anything. This is the configuration I'm going to go with for the layout of this room. Here are two more configurations that I like, but the first one works best for our everyday needs in this space. I don't want to move the TV from this wall because I like being able to see it when I'm in the kitchen. I can easily pull the ottoman over on movie nights so that we can have more space to lay out and get comfortable. That's something we were never able to do before, so that's going to be fun. I already know the kids are going to love it because it's going to feel like they're watching movies in bed. This next part is optional, but I went ahead and attached the connectors to the main set of sofas facing the TV to keep them in place. Each base has pilot holes for the connectors, so that's really helpful. I decided to wait until I was done with moving and lifting the frames before attaching these Velcro strips to help keep the cushions in place. Alright, I am going to bring in some decor to finish up the space. Now this isn't going to be the final look. I'm still trying to decide on the color I want to bring in here for the spring and summer seasons. I look forward to playing around with different color schemes instead of being stuck styling around navy blue now that I have a sofa in a neutral color. I love the shade of this beige, but you can also get it in gray, white, or black. I was eyeing the white one, but I know that would be too high maintenance of a color for a family room, especially in this house. Overall, I really love my new sectional from Sofatica. It's so cozy and beautiful. It offers a generous amount of seating space when we want to lounge out on a sofa. And not only is the ottoman great for extra seating or to be used as a footrest, but there's plenty of storage space for extra pillows and blankets, board games and toys, whatever you need to store away but have easy access to when you're using the living area. I think a modular sectional is a fantastic choice because of how flexible it is. I know I'm really going to enjoy this one and we'll be able to get a lot of use out of it. But yeah guys, that's all I have for you today. I will have this link in the description box if you want to check it out. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed, I would love it if you do so. That'll be so awesome, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.